rhyme to remind myself how I'm trying. Despite the way you were mocking me, acting like I was part of your property, remembering all the times you fought with me.
AOK Electronics. This is our TV repair center here in Tampa, where we work on televisions, everything that has to do with LED, plasmas, LCDs, even the new 3D LED that came out for Samsung and Sony last year. We work at the master technician level, and we warranty all our work. Most jobs for Samsung come with a 1-year warranty, and we provide a great, excellent service, door-to-door service that Yuki Suzuki came up with, which he's the founder of this business. He's the one that started it all. He had a great idea to provide a great service from home to home, in-home service. And since then we've been working with his idea, and it's been providing a great service for over 18 years. If you want a dependable service, please feel free to give us a call here at AOK Electronics.
There's only one thing you should